Hey everyone, the Redmi G Pro 27U is shaping up to be a bold step forward for Xiaomi's high-performance monitor lineup under the Redmi series. With its official unveiling set for April 24th in China, Xiaomi has already made most of the critical specifications public via its official website, generating strong buzz among gaming and tech enthusiasts. At the heart of the Redmi G Pro 27U is a stunning 27-inch 4K UHD display, boasting a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and a dense 157 pixels per inch. The real showstopper, however, is the monitor's exceptionally high peak brightness of 1600 nits, combined with a native 160 Hz refresh rate that can be boosted all the way up to 320 Hz. This makes it not only an excellent choice for competitive gaming, but also a viable option for creative professionals seeking fluid, sharp visuals. Color fidelity is clearly a major focus for this model. Utilizing 1,152 local dimming mini LED zones in conjunction with QD technology, the monitor achieves a broad color gamut that covers 100% of sRGB, 99% of Adobe RGB, and 99% of DCI-P3 professional-grade color accuracy is further cemented with a Delta E rating of less than 1. Making this display well-suited for color-critical work such as photo and video editing. Under the hood, the Redmi G Pro 27U is more than just a passive display. It's powered by a Cortex-A 73 quad-core CPU paired with a Mali G57 MC1 GPU, complemented by 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. While storage available to users may vary based on system requirements and future software updates, this level of onboard intelligence allows the monitor to operate Xiaomi's own HyperOS system smoothly. HyperOS integration brings a smart, cohesive user experience that bridges both work and entertainment seamlessly. On the audio front, the monitor houses a pair of 5-watt speakers, delivering surprisingly robust sound without the need for external equipment. For connectivity, users are spoiled for choice. 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4 capable of handling up to 8K at 60 Hz, a USB 3.0 port, and a USB 2.0 port. Wireless connectivity is equally forward-thinking, offering Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6 support. The inclusion of Miracast and AirPlay makes wireless screen sharing a breeze, especially for users switching between multiple devices. In terms of physical dimensions, the monitor is designed with flexibility in mind. Without the stand, it measures 613.3 by 364.5 by 65.9 millimeters. And with the stand, it extends to 613.3 by 521.2 by 217.3 millimeter. It weighs 4.7 kilograms without the stand and 6.8 kilograms with it. For those interested in wall mounting, the unit supports a 75 by 75 millimeter VESA configuration. Xiaomi backs the product with a 7-day return policy with no questions asked and a 3-year warranty, underscoring its confidence in the build and performance of the monitor. While pricing remains under wraps for now, full reveal during the upcoming launch event should provide final details. Notably, the monitor will likely be introduced alongside the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro smartphone, hinting at a broader ecosystem push from Xiaomi. Overall, the Redmi G Pro 27U combines cutting-edge display tech, onboard intelligence, strong color accuracy, and top-tier connectivity into a single, well-rounded package that looks poised to stand out in the premium gaming monitor segment. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, I will leave them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.